Civil rights organization AfriForum wants the 5-year validity period on South Africa's driver's license to be scrapped. The organization was in the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria on Monday and Tuesday, asking the court to declare the 5-year expiry of license cards as unlawful and irrational. AfriForum's lawyer has argued that the regulations limiting the validity period for driver's license are in conflict with the National Road Traffic Act, which, the organization says, determines that South Africa's driver's license can never expire. Alternatively, AfriForum wants the court to declare a section in the National Road Traffic Act which gives unrestricted powers to the Minister of Transport to determine the validity period of driver's license cards as unconstitutional and invalid. The organization's Ernest van Zyl spoke to Salam Media about their ongoing legal challenge
against the 5-year renewal period for driver's licenses, which is causing so much dysfunction. And I mean, many of your listeners will know for the past year or over a year now, we've had major delays in the printing of licenses, largely due to a machine that's broken. And it's quite astonishing. It's the government's one and only license printing machine, and it's broken down again this year for the second time in less than a year. I'm unsure. I think it's fixed now again, but it's constantly causing delays. A lot of other administrative delays, or administrative problems causing delays as well.
Van Zyl explained AfriForum's position regarding the importance of driver's license renewal and the 5-year validity period requirement.
That's the only test that they do. They don't test your driving ability. They don't test anything regarding road safety, whether you know all the tests that you did to get your driver's license in the first place. It's just an eye test. So maybe they can just say, well, you don't have to renew your license card. You just have to come in for an eye test every a certain amount of years. That will do the same thing. It's specifically with the printing of the cards and the renewal of the cards that's causing all of this dysfunction.
Former Transport Minister Fikile Mbalula has said that South Africa's new license cards will be valid for 8 years. The new license cards are expected to be fully introduced before the end of March next year. The new Transport Minister, Sindiswe Chikunga, who succeeded Mbalula, says that her department would submit the proposal of an 8-year validity period for cabinet approval. AfriForum's legal challenge in the North Gauteng High Court continued on Tuesday. This is a developing story.